Have you ever had the annoying thing happen when you purchase a private label right product, but and you know it's private label right license, but it does not come with the source file? You get to the point you go, what do I do? How do I fix this? Well, today we've got the solution. We have a really quick video, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can actually edit a PLR PDF so that you can sell it as your own product. All right, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have it you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so how do we edit PLR PDFs? Well, let me show you. Here we are at Canva. And to be able to get started, what you're going to need to do is you're going to be able to upload your PDF that you've received from some PLR store that says it is private label rights. Make sure it's not master resale rights or resale rights, because you can't edit those. But you can edit PLR. Okay, so let's go and upload something that we have on file. So I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I might just upload this particular one here. Affiliate marketing email strategy. So we'll just click on that, and we'll wait for it to upload onto here. There we go. It's starting to do that. We'll scroll down, and you can see here it's got affiliate marketing email strategies. Once it has opened, we can then click on it. You can actually view the file once it's uploaded. There we are. This one here is affiliate marketing, but it's the same as this one, email marketing. So we'll click on that, and that will open up. And this was actually, I created this one. I meant to change the cover here to make it affiliate marketing or email marketing, but clearly I called it affiliate marketing email strategies. Oh yeah, there we go. So all we need to do, if you click on here, you can actually see that you can edit this here. You can move things around once my computer stops playing up. Get rid of that. Okay, so you can move this around. You can click on it and change the wording. You know, you can say whatever you like here. Yeah. So you can move that around, do whatever you like. As you can see, you can change it up. You can also change the actual main image if you wish to. Get rid of that, this whole main image. You can delete that. You scroll through. It does have a few little funky things that happen occasionally, but it's not too bad in general. As you can see, it's all editable here, and everything here is editable. It might look a little bit different, a little bit funky. You can change sizing. You can rearrange paragraphs if you wish to. For example, you can move that down a little bit more, bring that one up, make it look a bit closer, or whatever you want. You can actually take this one down just a little bit here if you want to, just to make it look a bit nicer. You bring that one back down, and there you have it. You can just change it around, make it really quick and easy. And this is really all there is to it. Now, as I said, I made this one in Designer. I know that it was created by AI, but I created this particular ebook in Designer. But if you don't have Designer and you manage to get yourself PLR and they didn't give you the source file, then you can go here and you can change it up in Canva. Now, you don't have to be a pro member to do this. You can be a free member. Okay, now another thing you can do if you want to, you can also change the color of things. So for example, you want to change that one to a different color, you just click on that and you can choose whatever color you want. You might want to choose a different color, maybe that one there, so it's closer to the match of that one. And you can also, you know, pick and choose whatever you want. I'm going to click on here, and I want it to match the same color as this one over here, so I'll just click on that and I'll use that color instead. And as you can see, it's consistent all throughout this way. And you can go down and you can do that to all of these areas just here, and you can change the color to the one you want so that it is consistent and to the point. So over here you have you can also change aspects of this as well by changing some things here. So you got call to actions, you can change the title if you wish to, and you can change it any way you want. So this is just going to be really quick and easy. So jump in and have a go yourself and see how easy this really is. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this method of editing your private label right PDFs. Also to let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.